Every single star we see in the night sky, every galaxy mapped by our most advanced technology, is part of a cosmic illusion. For decades, modern science has told us that we live in an expanding universe, stretching across 93 billion light years. But this vast expanse is just a fraction of reality. It is merely the observable universe, a cosmic boundary dictated solely by the speed of light. But what happens when you reach the final invisible wall of this mapped cosmic horizon? Scientists analyzing recent cosmic microwave background data have noticed an anomaly, a strange, massive pull tugging at entire galaxy clusters from the absolute darkness beyond. Something incredibly massive is waiting out there. To understand what lies beyond, we must first look at the cosmic light horizon, the absolute threshold of human observation. For 13.8 billion years, light has traveled through space, carrying the ancient blueprints of the cosmos directly to our telescopes. But because the fabric of space itself is expanding faster than the speed of light, there are regions so distant that their light will never reach Earth. This creates a permanent, uncrossable boundary around us, a sphere of limitation that locks humanity inside a cosmic bubble. Yet, the deep space telescopes have picked up a phenomenon known to astrophysicists as dark flow. Entire clusters of thousands of galaxies are being violently dragged toward a single point outside our bubble, moving at speeds that defy every known law of physics. This unexplained cosmic current suggests that the universe does not just fade into nothingness outside our visible bubble. Instead, something colossal is exerting a massive gravitational pull, acting like a cosmic magnet on a scale we cannot comprehend. Some theoretical physicists propose a terrifying reality: that our entire universe is merely one small bubble floating within a hyperdimensional multiverse. If another neighboring universe exists just outside our horizon, its immense gravity could be bleeding through the dimensions, warping the structure of our space. As our telescopes peer deeper into the darkest sectors of the sky, the cosmic microwave background reveals cold spots, giant voids in radiation that shouldn't exist under normal conditions. These scars on the edge of our reality might be the literal bruising from a collision with an... To find the origin of this cosmic distortion, we must travel back to the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. During the epoch of cosmic inflation, the fabric of space-time expanded exponentially, doubling in size over and over at a speed far greater than light. This chaotic expansion didn't just create our 93 billion light-year bubble, it created an infinite landscape of space. The math behind inflation dictates that our universe is actually flat and extends forever, meaning that past our visible horizon, space goes on into infinity. If you could travel beyond the edge of our observable bubble, you would find more stars, more galaxies, and more cosmic structures. But as the distance approaches infinity, a mind-bending mathematical probability begins to take shape, altering the very nature of human existence. In an infinite space, the combinations of matter and atoms are mathematically forced to repeat themselves. Because there are only a finite number of ways you can arrange particles in a given volume, infinity guarantees that every possible configuration must happen again. This means that past our invisible wall, hundreds of billions of light years away, there could be another exact copy of our Milky Way galaxy. There could be another planet Earth with the exact same oceans, the same continents, and the same history. Somewhere out there in the absolute dark, another version of you might be looking up at the exact same night sky, wondering what lies beyond the edge of their universe. This is not science fiction. It is the direct logical consequence of an infinite, flat universe created by cosmic. Cosmologists categorize this mind-bending phenomenon as a level 1 multiverse, an endless extension of our own space, where the laws of physics remain exactly the same, but the outcomes are infinite. But as we look deeper into the mathematical models, a darker alternative begins to emerge from the shadows of quantum mechanics. What if the space beyond our bubble doesn't just contain identical copies of us, but entirely different laws of reality? In the farther reaches of the grand cosmic landscape, inflation may have stopped in some pockets while continuing in others, creating isolated pocket universes. In these alien realms, gravity might operate differently, electromagnetism might not exist, and atoms themselves might fail to form. The grand cosmic illusion we call our universe is slowly fading into a permanent state of isolation. As dark energy continues to accelerate this expansion, more galaxies are slipping past our cosmic horizon every single second, disappearing into the unmappable abyss forever. The invisible wall is actively shrinking around us, locking humanity inside a slowly dying pocket of space-time. Eventually, the distant stars currently being pulled by that mysterious dark flow will cross the ultimate threshold, leaving our night sky completely pitch black and empty. We are living in a unique, fleeting window of cosmic history, where the cold whispers of the microwave background still bear the physical scars of what lies outside. Our universe is not alone. It is a single, drifting island in an infinite, terrifying ocean of realities, and its deepest secrets are escaping from us, locked forever in the dark